Hey everyone, welcome to My Gear 2023. Let's get started. Alright, so today I'm just going to be showing you some of the gear that I use to make and edit my videos, as well as just some everyday carry equipment that I just use to live my daily life, whether it has to do with filmmaking or not. Alright, so I try to keep a minimalist design with my wallet. Right here I have a normal debit card. Don't try to steal the number because it's on the back. Anyway, the bank I use is Copper, has a really nice app, and it's very intuitive to use, transfer money, especially if you're a kid, because it makes it super easy to transfer money from your parents' accounts to yours. Okay, now I have this mysterious white card. This is an NFC card, and it was in my top 5 tech video a while ago, and it kind of seems like a novelty, but I actually use it fairly often, because lots of people I know have iPhones, and if I want to share my channel or Discord or podcast or whatever with them, it's really easy just to scan this on their phone, and it goes to my Linktree. If you don't know what Linktree is, it's this free little web page that displays all your different links to services like podcast channels, Discord servers, etc. So this makes it super easy to share all of that with them. Now in here is a little bit interesting. I have an AirTag, and that way if I lose my wallet, I can just navigate to it or make it beep. An AirTag costs about 30 bucks, and it's really nice to use with any iOS device. You just navigate right to it or make it play a sound to make it easier to find. And then the case I'm using for the AirTag is actually not even meant for AirTags. It's like a guitar pick case, but it actually fits it pretty well, and it looks nice because it's made of leather. Alright, moving on. Alright, next up we have this smartwatch here. This is what I wear on my wrist every day. Help me tell the time. And this is a $30 smartwatch made by Pop Glory. This is also my top 5 tech under $30 video, and if you want to watch it, just be sure to click right up there. It has tons of cool features such as exercise modes, just like that. And they're not the best. Not everything on this is super accurate, but hey, it's 29 bucks, and I think that's pretty good value for a $30 watch. Okay, if I go anywhere interesting, I'm sure to bring this with me. Inside this tiny little bag is a super powerful DJI drone. I made a full-length review right up there if you want to check it out. I do an unboxing and show you how to fly it. So there's a controller, which actually I believe is heavier than the drone. It's a very lightweight drone. That's why it's called the Mini. Then you have the drone itself, which actually opens by undoing the strap right here. And then you always unfold the front legs first, and then the back legs. There's this nice little battery pack. I actually lost one of the batteries on a camping trip, so this is a replacement one. It's black, so that looks pretty nice. And then the other battery. There you go. That can shoot 4K footage. But what do I use to edit that 4K footage? Well, I use Apple's MacBook Pro using the M1 Pro chip. This is a super speedy computer. I find it very good for editing and CG workflows. Everything about this thing is premium. I love it. You just sign in with Touch ID and it logs in instantly. And just like almost every other reviewer, I have nothing but good things to say about this laptop. I turned off the light so you could see how bright the keyboard is, so super great for typing at night. If this video gets 100 likes, or if I get 20 comments telling me to, I will make a MacBook Pro review. Moving on. Alright, now this is where I keep lots of my accessories for the MacBook Pro, as well as my iPad, which we'll get to. It's a cheap little bag on Amazon. Click the link down below and you can get yourself one. They're pretty cheap, they're like $7 I believe. I don't have it filled up all the way at the moment, and that's because lots of the stuff I use for my laptop is currently in my backpack. But yeah, there's some nice little pockets right here. There's a zipper, you can keep stuff. And there's not much to say about it, it's just a little cloth bag. I also have this USB-C to USB adapter. This is something that I use for my MacBook Pro, and that's because lots of mice use USB, so it's kind of annoying that there's not at least one USB port on there, but I'm not making any complaints. I'm sure all the USB ports go to make the laptop as thin as it is. Moving on. Alright, here's the last thing on the list. We have the iPad Mini 2. I know, it's super old. This thing predates dark mode pretty much. Oh, hi. This thing is so old that it actually predates dark mode. It only runs iOS 12, and as you know, that's incapable of running dark mode. There's no such thing. It's pretty much non-existent. Now, I myself am a dark mode advocate, so this is probably the most annoying feature, as well as the slow speeds, but I got it for free, so I'm not gonna complain. I don't really bring it anywhere. I just use it for watching YouTube videos, and I have this nice case. Like most of the Amazon products on this video, you can find a link to it in the description, and yeah, it has a little kickstand, so you can put it like that and watch your favorite video.
$1,000 on a banana. This guy bought it.
Alright guys, and that is the tech that I use this year in 2023. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, there's one more thing. This is the video you should watch next, so be sure to check it out. Yeah, click here, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Comment down below if you like the sound effects I make. Put a lot of effort into them, all my transitions and stuff. And I'll just use my mouth. Also, this review table's new, so tell me what you think. It's very hard to make. I have the camera duct taped to a microphone stand. Bye.